This is a bee bath. Was a bird bath. It's a bee bath now. These bees are enjoying this water. Nice warm day, about 77 degrees. And you can see they're nearly not concerned with me. They're just thirsty. Oh, I think one landed on my ear. Maybe that's something else. There's one bee here against another bee. There's one bee here against another bee that we thought they were fighting. But we decided it was actually one bee getting the water off another bee after it got too deep. They resolved the matter themselves. If you like this, please subscribe. It helps me out, gets me to make more. Thank you.